Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare ragi kanji or finger millet porridge. It's very healthy and easy to prepare as well. The quantities of ingredients are for serving 2 to 3 people. First, take 1 handful of peanuts and soak it in water for half an hour. And measure 8 tablespoons of ragi flour. Take about 3 to 4 cups of water in a thick bottom vessel and add the ragi flour into it. Mix it thoroughly until it is very smooth and there are no lumps. Then turn on the stove on high-medium and keep stirring it frequently. Add more water if required. It's better it is watery as it will thicken later. Once it is hot, add the crushed jaggery or cane sugar. Keep stirring it frequently so as to avoid sticking to the bottom or forming lumps. And you will soon notice that the porridge is getting thicker and darker. Keep stirring it continuously. Turn the stove to medium or low medium and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Add a pinch of salt and mix well. Add the soaked peanuts and cook for another couple of minutes. Turn off the stove and allow it to cool a little bit. Then add the grated coconut and mix well. Hot and sweet ragi porridge is ready. Hope you enjoy this. This can be given to babies of age 8 months or older but without peanuts and without coconut. Thank you for watching and see you soon again with another recipe.